So we have this classic Volvo 740 GL, probably with a huge turbo. And the sad story about this is that this classic example of Swedish steel Volvo 740 will be crushed. First time I see it happening in Sweden, but probably because of the low value of the car. They didn't like his passing on the wrong side of the divider and passing at high speeds past two zebra crossings. But because the pursuit was such a short distance, he escaped prison, 1 month in prison, and instead 50-hour commute service. But the car will be crushed. Sad. Be sure to like, subscribe and follow, comment below on GTBOARD.com, Active Driving Encounters by GTBOARD.com with the Swedish accent.